Ram Ram.
Be careful with that. It is very heavy. Oh, we nearly lost it.
Come along now. We have a ways yet to go.
Yes, a beautiful day for it. Did you see the look on his face? He is trying so hard not to smile.
Keep moving! Faster now, before the heat gets worse. Yeah. If we don't clear this blockage soon, the terraces below won't get enough water.
You are right. Let's start digging here first.
Hurry, pull it this way. We must finish before dark.
ओम मानी पद में हूँ, ओम मानी पद में हूँ.
Be sure to use the fresh spices in the parcel.
And here is the salt for the stew.
Oh, this is perfect. Thank you both so much.
No, stop it! Don't do that! It's disgusting! Let go of me! Hurry up! We'll be late for school! The sun is so warm today.
Be good for the teacher now.
Come along, we'll have a good day.
Bye. I'll see you later.
Be careful while you play, my little ones.
The local council has approved the budget for the new irrigation project, promising relief for farmers ahead of the monsoon season.
Is the path clear up ahead?
Yes, but be careful around the bend.
We will. Thank you.
You boys, be careful now!
We will. See you later. See how the water is trickling out? The crack is getting wider.
We should use some cement to patch it up before it gets worse.
Drink this first.
Step by step, we plant the rice, lift it high, make the field nice.
Much better now.
This corn is perfectly roasted.
Share it quickly before it gets cold. Take some more chura. You earned it today.
Thank you. This water is refreshing. My back is killing me.
We should finish this section before dark.
Hey, let's move together now. Pull the seedlings high.
Ho! Planting for the harvest.
So, we agree on the water rotation for the week.
Yes, agreed. Thank you, brother. Ah, that is good. Very strong brew.
Yes, drink up, everyone. There is plenty to go around.
My crops need water now. Why did you block the channel here?
Let us not quarrel. The sun is setting. Let us find a way together.
The mud is thick today. It will take a while to clean off.
It means the soil is rich, a good sign for the crops.
Now, if we divide the yield by 5 households, everyone gets an equal share.
That seems fair, but what about the seeds for next season? And so the mountains themselves began to whisper secrets to the wind.
Are the paths clear for your return journey?
Yes, the morning light guides us. There you are. And a little something extra today. Thank you, Maya. Oh, don't look so sad. Here is the money for the salt, shopkeeper. Ram Ram. Thank you, brother. Please be careful on the path ahead. Is the flow steady today?
Yes, Auntie. It won't take long to fill the pots.
We made it back! Look!
You're making quick work of that section, brother. The strips Maya is handing you are perfect.
Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum.
We take refuge in the Buddha. We take refuge in the Dharma.
We take refuge in the Sangha.
Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme.
Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum.
Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum.
But that is not enough for the harvest next week. If we combine our efforts, we will have 5 loads ready by then.
So that makes 25 total.
Are you sure you carried the one?
Yes, look here, it is correct.
Brothers and sisters, we must rebuild the terraces before the monsoon arrives.
Who will lend their strength to the community?
Spread it evenly now.
Yes, like this.
The pink powder goes here.
Look, Maya, I finished mine. It's the best one.
It's certainly unique. Very round.
And that is when the mountain spirit awoke. It swept down from the peaks, its roar louder than the fire itself.
Hush now, baby, the day is done.